Now, a few tips on how to set up your video, the position of the camera, the position of your instrument. First things first, make sure we can see you. Make sure we can see your instrument. This is not an exam recording, okay? So you can relax. But ideally, as a public, we would like to see your face and we would like to see your hands and your instruments, so then we can feel closer to you when you are performing. So if you play the guitar, make sure that we can see you, make sure we can see all of your instrument, your face, your fingers. If you're playing the piano, chances are you're going to be profile, so you're going to be more like this, in this position, right? If you're singing, you will be standing up. So again, make sure we can see all of you. We will enjoy your performance that little bit more. Make sure you've got the right position, the correct height. Make sure we can hear you. Introduce yourself like a real professional that you are. So let's say I wanted to play Jingle Bells. I would say, hello, my name is Mariela and I'm going to play Jingle Bells for you. Then I would make sure I take my time, I get myself into position, find my starting position, and I would go. And at the very end, I would turn around and I would say, thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year. That is all that you need to do. It would help if you have an adult helping you with the recording, or maybe a sibling. This is also a good idea. But all you need to do is position your camera so we can see you. You can use your phones for this nowadays. Phones are really, really good. Or laptop, whatever works for you. Position yourself, make sure we can see you, send us the video by the 28th. Check that the whole thing is no longer than 3 minutes so we can show as many of you as possible. Thank you. See you on the day.